Hey learner, this is nileshhanumantborate. So we have to start the Python programming language. Okay, so first video we have to see that the introduction to Python. Okay, so Python is the fastest growing language in terms of number of developers who using it, number of libraries we have in terms of number of companies who are using it, and in terms of the area you can implement it. Okay, it is using in machine learning, artificial intelligence, graphical user interface, software development, web development, mathematics, scripting, and used in anywhere. Okay, so that's why it is called as the general purpose language. Okay, so what is the Python? It is the programming language. It is interpreted, object oriented, and high level programming language. Okay, so this is the definition of a Python. It is the easy to learn, it is powerful. Okay, it has the efficient high level data structures and is a simple but effective approach to object oriented programming. Python's elegant syntax and dynamic typing together with its the interpreted nature make it an ideal language for scripting and the rapid application development in many areas on most platforms. So this is the pure definition of a Python. Okay, so we have to see that why Python is famous. Okay, so Java came in picture 1995. Okay, but Python came in 1989 and released in 1991. So it's way before Java. Okay, it is much simpler than C, C++ and the Java language. Okay, so many scientists research are wait for the easiest language available in the market, and the Python is the only answer. It is a very simple and the easy scripting language. That's why Python is a famous. Okay, so who use the Python? So first we have to see that the applications, some of the applications we have to use the Python. So first one is that the Dropbox. So Dropbox use a lot of things in Python, including the polished and the friendly desktop client. Okay, so next one is that the Instagram. So pure line of Instagram is that no Instagram today without Python. Okay, so next one is that the Spotify. So Spotify is the music streaming platform, is a modern mainstay. Okay, so next one is that the Netflix. Okay, so Netflix strength is its powerful recommendation and analytics engine, allowing the company not just to provide you with the suggestions but also predict what kind of original content they should order. Okay, so Netflix developed in a Python. So next one is that the Facebook. Facebook is practically synonymous with a social media. Okay, actually this website is in PHP, but most of a code, so 21% of Facebook code is written in a Python language. Okay, so next one is that the Google. So Google is a most popular search engine in the world. Okay, so they also used the Python. Okay, so they have the fingers in everything: video, music, streaming, email, search, advertise, self-driving car, hardware, and much more. So most of platform Google use the Python. Okay, and the next one is the very popular. Without this you cannot watch this video. So that is the YouTube. Okay, so YouTube is written in a Python language. It is the biggest video streaming platform in the world. If that's not enough of a recommendation for you, so nothing will be. Okay, so Python can also used in a different scientific calculations. So these are the most popular applications where Python can be used. Okay, so what is the story of Python? So first we have to see that. So author of a Python is that the Guido van Rossum. So this is the author. So this is the picture of that author. Okay, So they born in 1964. So he received a master degree in mathematics and computer science from the University of Amsterdam in 1982. Okay, so he is a big fan of the British comedy movie called as the Monty Python's Flying Circus, and that's why he give the name called as the Python. Okay, so this is the TV series in 1969 to 1974. Okay, so the Python have the multiple versions. So 1.0 is in January 1994, then 2.0 in October 2000, and now Python 3.0 December 2008, and in 2020 I think Python 3.7 is the latest version. Okay, so next one is that the characteristics of the Python. So it is a functional and the structural programming methods as well as the object oriented programming. So it can be used as a scripting language or can be compiled to bytecode for the building the large applications. It provides a very high level dynamic data types and support the dynamic type checking. It support the automatic garbage collection. It can be easily integrated with the C, C++, COM, ActiveX, Cobra and Java. Okay, so these are the some characteristics of a Python. Okay, so we have to see the installation of a Python on next video. So if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box, likes and subscribe this channel. See you on next video. Thank you.